Here is a demonstration of friendface, a secure social network. The idea is to have end-to-end encryption and identity management built right into the browser client of a web application. Customers might be interested in this technology in cases where they do not want to trust their internal network. For example, perhaps executives of a company want to have a private conversation and do not want to worry that their IT staff might be able to snoop in on it. I will log in as two users, Pete and Alice, to show a live chat session between them. First, here is Pete. Instead of supplying a username, I instead point to an encrypted identity file and supply the password to open it. Now Alice. When you log in, the user's profile, their contact list, is downloaded from CouchDB and decrypted. Pete knows about Alice. He knows her public key, so he can send some messages to her. Alice has Pete's public key, so she can send messages back. The encrypted messages are delivered over a WebSockets connection to MQLite. MQLite will hold messages for a week, so when the user logs in, he gets any messages sent while he was offline. We intend also to implement a personal blog in another tab. The idea is that you can post the status update and all your friends get to see and make comments on it. Now I will show how to create an identity file for a new user, Mark. First we log out of Pete. Click sign up to create the identity. Fill in their name. Provide a password. Mark's private identity is basically his private key. And here's the key right here. We can click this to pick a different key. Now we supply a name for the identity file. The browser allows JavaScript to write to files in the download directory. So this file will end up there. Now that we have the identity file, we can log in as Mark. Mark has no friends yet, so let's connect him with Alice by clicking on the Friends tab. Here we provide an out-of-band method for befriending someone. Basically, you can copy your public key and give it to your friends somehow. Let's give John's public key to Alice. Mark's public key to Alice. We paste it into the Import a Friend box. Now Alice knows about Mark, and we can see in Alice's list that Mark is there. And let's give Alice's public key to Mark so that Mark can send messages to Alice. Mark now has one friend. There you go. Notice that messages from different users are colored with a different color, and you can turn off and turn on different users in the chat box. And there you go. That is basically it. Thank you for watching.